Hello friends, so here we are again with another question on combined signal operations. So far we have tried out different combinations of individual signal operations, how we can group them and perform multiple signal operations at the same time. Here we have another such expression here which is given by yt is equal to 3x minus 2t plus 4. Again, it is a combination of multiple individual signal operations, and this is the signal waveform xt with respect to t. So again, if you pay attention to this whole expression, what we can do, as we do with all the other combined signal operation, we pick one end, okay, we pick one end and then we move from that end to the other, and as we move we perform the individual signal operations. So what we'll do here, the original signal xt will be first subjected to time shifting. This is time shifting. Then xt plus 4 will be subjected to time scaling, x 2t plus 4, okay, time scaling. This is the second step. Then the time scaled signal will be subjected to time reversal or time inversion, x minus 2t plus 4, which is time reversal. Sorry. Then we will perform amplitude scaling, that is x minus 2t plus 4 to 3x minus 2t plus 4. This is amplitude scaling. These are the 4 steps, 4 individual operations that we have to perform to get the final signal waveform. So we'll go step by step. First is time shifting. Okay, time shifting. So we know whenever we have a time shifting operation, then plus sign indicates that the shifting will happen to the left, and this numeric value 4, it means that the shifting will happen by that much unit. So here plus means the shifting will happen to the left by 4 units. This. So this signal will be shifted to the left by 4 units. So it's just like pick the two ends of the signal from the point from where it is starting and then where it is ending, then subtract 4 from it. So 1 minus 4, it is minus 3, and this is 4 minus 4, 0, which is the new starting and ending point. So the time shifted signal will be something like this. So we'll perform the time shifting. So we'll redraw the signal. So it will be more towards this side. So we'll slightly keep it. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so values amplitude 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the new starting and ending points are minus 3 and 0. 1 minus 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 0, shifted to the left by 4 units. So it will be like this. This is the time shifted signal. Next we have is time scaling x 2t plus 4. So for that, what we have to do, for time scaling, you know that whenever we perform time scaling, the coefficient of t, the thing which is getting multiplied or divided by t, that is very important. So here the time scaling operation is like this, x 2t plus 4. So 2 is getting multiplied with t. So it means each and every point on the time axis, it will get divided by 2 to perform time scaling. So the time scaled signal will be so each and every point will get divided by 2. So this minus 4, it will become minus 2, then it will be minus 1.5, that is minus 3 by 2, then minus 1, then 0.5, minus 0.5 and then 0. So the amplitude, there will be no change. So here originally in this point, the signal is starting from minus 3, the time shifted signal. Now it will start from minus 1.5, okay, like this. Then it will be at this point, it will be 3, then at this point it will be 2, and then it would be 0, like this. This is the time scaled signal. Okay, each and every point here, it got divided by 2. Okay, in this time shifted signal. This is the time scaled signal. Then we have time reversal. Okay, time reversal. So for time reversal, what we have to do, we have to form the mirror image of the time scaled signal along the positive time axis, such as a mirror is placed along the amplitude axis or the this amplitude axis. Okay, mirror image about the positive time axis. So it will be something like this, the time reversal signal. Nothing will change in the amplitude side, but the negative time points will be converted to positive. 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5. Okay, so now it will be something like this. Like this. This is the time reversed signal. Okay, this is the time reverse signal, exactly the mirror image of the time scaled signal along the positive time axis. Okay, so time reversal is done. Now is amplitude scaling, 3x minus 2t plus 4. So it is very simple, straightforward. We have to multiply 3 in the amplitude side. Each of these amplitude points values will be multiplied with 3. Okay, so we'll multiply 3 with them. So here each and every point here, it will be multiplied with 3. So this will be 9, this will be 6, this will be 3. So the amplitude scaled signal will be the same thing, just the amplitudes will be scaled up by a factor 3. Three, 6, 9. So here it would be in this point. Okay, this is the amplitude scaled signal. So this is the final result which we'll get. Okay, this. So here we had 4 operations. First, time shifting, then time scaling, then time reversal, then amplitude scaling, and we have to perform each of these individual signal operations. Now when you gain more and more practice with this, you can combine 2 operations into one. Okay, when you gain more and more practice, you can combine these 2 operations into one, or depending upon how you feel comfortable, even you can combine 3 operations into one, and then you can proceed. But before doing that, you have to practice more and more questions so that you gain expertise on how quickly you can modify, you can manipulate things in your head in order to save time. But if you are not comfortable with that, then go the lengthy way. Okay, because there is a high chance that you can make a mistake. So you go the lengthy way, practice more and more questions through this individual operation method, and then as you gain more and more confidence about this, you can combine 2 or 3 operations into one, merge them in one. Okay,